everybody. I have the mats in there to keep my carpet nice in this muddy driveway. We can't have it all. We can try. Listen to this, smooth. We'll see if this works. I had to change some things around yesterday. I was getting vapor lock. Vapor lock issue. If anybody knows about that, please comment, like, and subscribe, and share. As we are interested in knowing what makes these old cars happy. Please like, share, and subscribe if you like what you see. Thanks. The pro you need to know. God bless.